Mr. Thomas. I teach math.
And we met here at Eastern High School, and we have, yes, 2014, and we've been married since 2017. Okay, so now we are going to play the life word challenge. Ready? All right, first question. What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
Oh.
I can't get the cap off. Okay,
Are we supposed to flip at the same time?
hold on.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Go. Butter
yours then?
pecan midnight snack from Graders.
Oh. Okay.
Remember? Okay.
Well, kind of, but change that up a little bit. All right. All right.
All right.
Here's mine. Number one.
I'm putting the cap back on. So it won't come
What's my favorite song right now? I listen to a lot of music, so it changes a lot, but I'm just going to do this one since it's coming up.
Okay. I put Eclipse by Twin Shadow.
Oh, nice try. I put
Borders.
of Sunshine
I
Underground.
should have guessed that.
We're getting ready to go see it.
We're getting ready to go see them. Okay. Oops.
Okay. Oops.
We would not be winning the newlywed game.
No.
Okay.
Not that one.
Go ahead. Your turn.
Oh, okay. Number two. What's my favorite movie? Oh.
Oh, goodness.
Gosh.
This is an easy guess, because maybe. Oh, I'm supposed to read this next question. Okay, that's okay. We can just, we'll do it next.
Favorite movie?
Don't put something obscure that I'm not going to get.
I don't know. It's what you say all the time. Office.
Oh, I put Star Wars.
Well, there's like 9 Star Wars. You gotta be a little
I
more
should
specific
have
on
remembered that one. Okay.
All right. That's not really my favorite, but that's the one she
But
said.
he makes
it's
me
always
watch
my
every Christmas. Okay. What word do I always mispronounce or say weirdly? That's a good question. I'm trying to think. There are words
There
I
are some
cannot
because
say.
you're from Michigan and you
Oh, I know.
throw things around. Oh gosh.
Speaking of Michigan. Interesting.
I got my puss.
I put cotton.
Cotton is another one. Anything that ends in O-N.
Well, that's Lower
Or
Michigan
That's
for
Lower
you.
Michigan.
Okay. All right.
All right. You can keep
You
going.
go.
You go?
Oh, I'll go again. Okay,
Alright.
that's fine. We messed that up.
You would totally lose this.
What's something that's always in my purse? You should be able to get this one.
Always in your
That I
purse.
always have, that I need.
You wrote quick, and I'm writing 2 words, so that's wrong.
My fan.
Oh,
What did you put?
glasses.
That's
Thing that
true.
we always,
Also,
yeah.
that's true.
You got
also.
glasses?
Okay.
All right.
We are terrible. We're gonna lose.
All right.
I've already
My
lost the
turn.
newlywed game. Your turn. Okay.
What's something I always forget?
Oh goodness, what do you always forget?
Well, I know something you could say.
Well, you're writing a lot. I'm not writing that much. I put water bottle.
My phone, whereabouts?
You do
Where
always-
about my phone?
Right, you always do ping it.
Yeah.
Okay, that was terrible. We got 0 out of 0. Wah,
You sure
wah.
we're married?
Right. Well, this was fun. Thank you.
I got one more.
Oh, got one more. Sorry. Sorry. Never mind. We got one more. We got one more try.
What is something I've said I wanted to learn but haven't?
Ah. He's writing way too much than I did.
Yeah.
What'd you put?
Play guitar or drums.
Put French.
Well, that too. All right.
Okay.
We lose.
We lose.